them fixed, but whenever we have the money, the only time we have the money to get them fixed is when it looked like this last time.
Really?
Yeah.
Except there's less trees. Someone cut them down. Wow. This is where you're living now, eh? Oh.
Yeah, but 15,724 and 24 cents.
Wow. Look at this place.
It fucking sucks.
This honestly looks better than most trailers I go into.
Really?
Yeah, well, they all look the same. They have the same ugly carpeting for some reason. These massive fucking mirrors are here. Oh my god, I'm such a retard. I thought this was another... Oh wait, never mind. I take back my retard card. There was another room here after all. I mean, honestly, this is not too bad, relatively speaking. Oh. Ooh. Old TV remote. Back when TVs had remotes. These green things?
Yes.
What? They have fucking shotgun shells. They're empty though. Why do they just...
Well, why are they all just...
There's like a bunch in the fucking closet too. I think the family got murdered that lived here. There's literally just a whole closet. Like, they're not loaded or anything. There's just fucking empty ass shells. Were they gonna kill their neighbors? Oh, there's a bit of poop in there too.
Oh my god. You want this? Because I don't... Those were the people that died in here, bro. I just found it.
Matt Schooner sounds Jewish. This was his last paycheck. He saved it all.
Ooh, tinsel.
Ooh, closet.
No, bathroom.
Oh, bathroom, my bad.
There's a bigger bathroom down the other hallway.
Oh, more poopy. Dry poopy. Oh, ew, more poopy. Disgusting. Why do they just, like... Honestly, like, I think they need this. Like, honestly, I think they might need this a bit. Yeah, they needed that. They needed that. Monkey?
I'm gay. Sorry, what?
Wait, what is this? Is this their award? Pine City Sportsman. First place bow hunter. Finger B. Good for them. Must not have mattered much. They just fucking left it here. Old ass TV, of course.
Last time we were here was in 2008.
Are you being serious? 2008?
Yeah.
So this has been sitting here for like 12 years?
Yeah.
That's fucked.
They had a little puppy before they moved.
Really?
Yeah.
Did they take it with them or?
Yes. No, they left it here. No, they left.
Not much in here, they said. What is this? Wireless router? Sure. Why not? Oh, okay. This is not too bad, actually. This place is fucking huge. Another big ass TV. Chandelier. Oh, they put the couch in the kitchen. Oh.
Yeah.
Did they really?
Yeah.
I thought this was the living room. Fucking idiots.
Yeah.
They have fucking, the thick DVDs.
VHS?
VHS, yes, that's it.
Me too.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Therapist ass? I see him moving in there.
Half a bow. Children's bow. Yo, you can even stand in this one. Ooh. More poopy, but no Listerine for this one, fortunately. Best yet thing, actually.
Baby powder.
Yeah, powder for the baby's ass. I don't have any Listerine, so I'm just gonna, like, that'll be the next best thing. You see this? Ah.
What the fuck are you doing?
They're nice and fresh now. What's this from? It's the choke. Ooh. Oh, no, sir.
Oh, she was correct. He did move.
What, this thing?
No, the bunny rabbit in the...
I mean, probably someone moves it.
No, last time I came in here, he was more facing towards the door.
It's all your imagination.
You're right. My imagination is pretty wild.
Ooh. Nice. I feel like I remember this show. The kid on it. The night kid. He had like a tiny ass sword, just like that.
Fuck you, bitch.
He had a tiny ass sword, that exact one.
Fucking hated it.
Let's see. Dead child again. It's new. Oh, he's a dead child. This one's just not a baby. It's slightly older, I guess. Oh well. Got her arm ripped off. Possessed bunny. So they say. The wind probably blew it. Do this open window. Bed.
You good?
Yeah. Here is the other living room, I assume. What is this? Is this the bedroom?
No, I fucking do. Me and Alex are talking about if we bought this house, this would be our designated smoking chilling room.
Really? I mean, I feel like you could already smoke and chill in here. Because, I mean, who the fuck else lives here? You guys should be squatters, honestly.
If I'm being honest, I'd probably come back here during the night and bring a chair or shit.
Yeah, no, you got a chair right here, you know, you see that? And a toilet grill brush, whatever this is right here.
It's a grill brush cleaner.
A grill brush cleaner? It cleans the grill brushes, gotcha. Something's gotta clean the clean. What cleans the brushes that clean, you know?
Yeah.
This is their basement. They were working on a basement, but they didn't finish it. It's just big enough for the children to crawl in. That's probably how they died and lost their arm. I assume Alex must be in here. Alex, where'd you go? Yeah, typical man workshop. Typical jug of penicillin, fucking jug of beer. Oh, here's what they're looking for. Maybe. I wonder they're looking for cigarettes. Kids these days. This is fucking neat though. Oh, perfect size for me.
I rode one of those before.
Alright, I gotta back up. Oh, fuck this.
Ryan, you okay?
No!
I think it's a bit too big for you.
It's too big for me. Yeah, that's the issue. That's the issue. It's too big for me. That's it. That's why I can't ride it. The third massive TV. Don't know how to use this one. Alright. These people knew how to drink. Good shit, dudes.
You have fun being
Get off my lawn, you faggots. Get out of my rose bushes, you stupid kids.
Okay, let's go. Matt, take me on.
Wow, how neat.